Ever wonder how milk becomes powder? Let's break it down in 60 seconds. Step 1. Fresh milk is collected and transported to the factory in cooled tankers. Step 2. It's filtered, pasteurized, and standardized for fat content. Step 3. Water is removed through evaporation to thicken the milk. Step 4. It enters a giant spray dryer. Hot air turns liquid into fine powder instantly. Step 5. The dry milk powder is collected, cooled, and sealed for packaging. And just like that, fresh milk turned into powder, ready for the world.